Can I hang out with Derp? Can I use them for some internet points? Can I use Derp for some internet points? Cool. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? I'm going to tell people we're going to go live tonight on the Odyssey Facebook page and just share some thoughts on my 10-year trail anniversary. 10 years ago, I started the PCT, huh? It's some exciting stuff, huh? And I've been thinking about going live for the last couple weeks, and then I got to stressing out about it, right? And then I didn't know what platform to use because I'd had all of these thoughts and written them out, and they make sense, and I feel like they're worth people's time and sharing. But then I got all worked up, and then I realized that was one of the things that we're going to talk about, right? One of the very things that was on my list is to be okay with being not perfect and to be in the here and now. And I know that's a lot to burden like 1 week old with, huh? Yeah? You're not burdened at all? Because it's not in the here and now? Because it doesn't even matter? Because it's not even real? Because you're right, and it's a very good point, Derp. I really appreciate the context. But yeah, while you're feeding and sleeping tonight with Mom, I'll go live. Hopefully I'll see you guys there.